Hello, this is Linda from the DuchessKitchen.com. Today I'm making ground sausage stew. I'll start off by adding a little bit of olive oil to the pan and my three-in-one vegetables, which is a mirepoix, a mixture of sauteed chopped vegetables. So that's going to be my base. So I'm going to cook this on a medium heat until it's cooked and a bit soft. Then I'll go in and add my ground sausage and just mix until everything is broken into pieces. Um, if you want big chunks as well, you can do that as well. So here we have it. Now I'm going to add my spices or seasoning. So this is a mixture of um, garlic, onion, ginger, and white pepper powder, and Worcestershire sauce as well. And I mix everything together. And I making I'm adding tomato sauce. This is for my previous video that I uploaded. So if you want to know more about how to make tomato sauce in bulk, you can check that recipe. And I just add it to it, stir everything together, cover it, and just allow it to simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. And I will recommend that you stir it occasionally so that it doesn't get stuck under the button. And yeah, so this is what we have here: ground beef stew. It's delicious, nutritious, and very easy to make, easy to store as well. And this can go with baked potato, cooked potatoes, rice, anything you can think of, you can eat with it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.